Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, June 19th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, Freaky Friday did not disappoint today, um, but unlike a lot of Freaky Fridays, we actually made money today, so I should not complain. You can see here what happened with the Dow. It gapped way up. I think it got up to 400 points up here on top the first 15 minutes, but then, it immediately starts to fail and fails, goes negative, pretty decisively negative down here, and then a little bit bounce at the end, and then a kind of a 15-minute sell-off there at the end. Officially, the Dow closes down to 208 points. Now, this is the worst possible pattern for us usually. You've heard me complain about this over and over again. This big push up at the beginning results in us buying a bunch of stuff, and then when it goes negative, that stuff tends to all go negative. For some reason, it didn't work out so badly for us today. We had negative about $3,000 in open trade yesterday, so the push up here got us positive, and we actually closed out those. I think we had 8 positions. We got out of those with positive $2,300. So we went from negative 3,000 to positive 2,300. That's good. So the bounce up here helped us. Yeah, we did get in a bunch of stuff here. We got in a total of 15 positions, 8 positive, 7 negative, but we held on to those profits in spite of this sell-off. I'm not sure how we managed that, but we closed out, not closed out, but are carrying positive $8,600 in open trade equity over the weekend. So, we closed out 2,300. We're carrying 8,600, all positive. So that's not a huge winning day, but it's a good day. And I look at this and I can't figure out how we did it with this crazy pattern with the Dow, but we did. Let me show you 3 of the stocks here. I'll show you the spoiler here. This is the volatility shares bear. TVIX, which of course is going to go up when the Dow goes down, and with the Dow opening up, it opens down, but then as the Dow reverses, we get filled right at the top of this spike here. Terrible fill. We had a little profit for a few minutes here, and then it reverses as the Dow rallies a little there at the end of the day. And what's kind of bad about this is that, hey, this thing is in here as a hedge against a big sell-off in stocks, and I wouldn't want to take it out of there, but because of TVIX and UVXY, we're holding about negative $5,000 between those two stocks, and so our $8,600 open trade positive, would be more like 13,000 and something if we didn't have these 2 positions. But that's just the cost of holding a hedge. I shouldn't complain. But yeah, we got these two bad positions in TVIX and UVXY. I'll show you a couple of the good stocks. This first one is an ETSY. This is like a eBay service for artsy craftsy stuff. Wouldn't think it would be a stock you'd be interested in, but it actually worked out pretty good for us today. We bought this right out of the gate today, and it kept going, closed near its high there, and we're holding $4,600 positive in ETSY Incorporated. And finally, the big trade of the day, and we've had quite a few big trades with this. This is CLDX, Celldex Therapeutics, and it took off again today. We got it as soon as it took off, and it kept moving there, closing near its high, and we're holding $9,300 positive in Celldex Therapeutics. So that really looks really good. So I can't really complain about Freaky Friday today. We made some money. Let's just hope it holds over the weekend and we can get out of these 15 positions with some profits on Monday. You guys have a great weekend, and I will be back here on Monday trading these trades.